In this video, we listed the 5 best sewing machine for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 40x32 Sewing Machine. The Singer Grey Sewing Machine is designed for power, precision, and creativity. Built with a full metal frame for lasting durability and stability, it features an enhanced motor that delivers stronger piercing power, making it ideal for sewing multiple layers and thicker fabrics. With 110 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, decorative stitches, and a convenient one-step buttonhole, this machine offers endless possibilities for customization. The top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover ensures easy threading and jam-proof sewing, while the built-in needle threader saves time by threading the needle effortlessly. Compact yet sturdy at 14.6 pounds with dimensions of 6.25 inch x 15.5 x 12h, it is both portable and powerful. For added support, the free Singer Creative app provides quick start guides, tutorials, troubleshooting, manuals, and more, helping you sew smarter and with confidence. Number 2. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine is a lightweight yet durable choice for both beginners and advanced sewers, offering versatility and ease of use. Built with a metal frame and weighing just 12.6 pounds, it features 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, stretch stitches, and an auto-size buttonhole for polished results on a variety of projects. The automatic needle threader makes setup effortless, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation. Designed for everyday use, its versatile free arm makes sewing tricky areas like cuffs, sleeves, and hems simple and precise. The XM2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, twin needle, for bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a manual, giving you everything you need to get started. Backed by brothers at your side support, you'll receive free technical assistance online, via live chat, or by phone for the life of the machine. This 2023 model is designed for use in the US at 120 volts, combining convenience, reliability, and creative freedom in one compact machine. Number 3. Singer M1150 Sewing Machine. The Singer M1150 Black Sewing Machine is a lightweight, compact, and travel-friendly model that blends vintage aesthetics with modern performance. Designed for portability, it's perfect for sewing classes, workshops, apartments, or on-the-go projects, offering both convenience and power in a sleek, space-saving design. With 16 built-in stitches and 45 stitch applications, the user-friendly dial makes stitch selection quick and effortless, while preset length and width ensure professional results every time, ideal for everything from simple repairs to creative sewing projects. A 4-step buttonhole feature delivers clean, polished buttonholes with ease, while the free arm allows you to handle hard-to-reach areas like cuffs, sleeves, and hems with precision. Thoughtfully designed threading guides simplify setup, making threading quick and stress-free for beginners and experienced sewers alike. Stylish, practical, and versatile, this sewing machine offers a seamless sewing experience in a compact package. Number 4. Brother GX37 Sewing Machine. The Brother GX37 sewing machine is a lightweight, durable, and versatile option designed for both beginners and advanced users. Featuring 37 built-in stitches with an auto-size buttonhole, it offers flexibility for everyday sewing and quilting projects. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make threading and setup quick and effortless, while the free arm allows easy sewing of sleeves, cuffs, and other hard-to-reach areas. This machine comes complete with 6 sewing feet, a needle set, bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a manual, giving you everything you need to start sewing right away. Weighing only 10.1 pounds with a sturdy metal and plastic construction, it's portable yet reliable. Backed by brothers at your side support, you get free lifetime technical assistance online, via chat, or by phone. Designed for US use at 120 volts, the GX37 combines convenience, creativity, and dependable performance in one compact package. Number 5. Stoigeld Sewing Machine. Sewing Machine. The Stoigeld portable sewing machine is a lightweight and user-friendly option, perfect for beginners, kids, and sewing enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 5 pounds and measuring 10.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 9.5 inches, it's compact yet powerful, making it easy to use at home or take on the go. Designed with 12 stitching modes, including straight, zigzag, and decorative patterns, plus a reverse sewing function, it ensures neat and durable results for a variety of projects. The AC adapter power provides stable performance for longer sewing sessions without worrying about battery changes, while the threading indication marks simplify setup. This machine comes with a complete sewing kit, including 20 fabric squares, 7 inches by 7 inches, 32 sewing threads, bobbins, spools, spare needles, and a needle threader, everything you need to start sewing right away. With its portable design and thoughtful accessories, it also makes a great gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, or Mother's Day, inspiring creativity for both beginners and hobbyists.